Mercedes-Benz CLE receives mid-cycle update with focus on performance. Mercedes-Benz is preparing a refresh for the CLE model, which replaced the C-Class and E-Class coupes. While exterior changes are subtle, the most significant updates lie under the hood, with the high-performance AMG variant set to receive a powerful new engine. This move signals a continuation of Mercedes' strategy to blend luxury with dynamic driving capabilities. Exterior styling tweaks. The updated CLE features minor design revisions, primarily at the front. New reshaped headlights incorporate the brand's signature star-shaped LED daytime running lights, a design element now consistent across the Mercedes lineup, including the S-Class, E-Class, and SL models. The grille has also been slightly modified, appearing taller and narrower than the previous iteration. The rear of the vehicle remains largely unchanged in this early prototype phase. Interior remains familiar inside. The CLE will largely retain its existing twin-screen layout. Mercedes will not be implementing the hyperscreen found in higher-end models, nor the simplified single-display setup from the GLC EV. This suggests a focus on refining the current design rather than a complete overhaul. Performance upgrades. The return of V8 power the core engine lineup, including the 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 255 HP, and the 3-liter inline-six, 375 HP or 443 HP, will remain largely the same. The key development, however, is the introduction of Mercedes' new 4-liter twin-turbocharged flat-plane crank V8 engine in the AMG CLE 63 variant. This engine, also slated for the updated S-Class, is expected to deliver over 600 horsepower. Why this matters? The shift back to a V8 in the AMG model is notable. The previous generation C63 used a 2-liter 4-cylinder with electric assistance. While technically capable, many enthusiasts preferred the visceral experience of a traditional V8. Mercedes is responding to this demand. The return of a high-displacement engine shows that the brand still values raw power and driving dynamics alongside electrification. The CLE refresh demonstrates Mercedes' incremental approach to model updates. The focus on refining existing features, combined with a significant engine upgrade, positions the CLE as a competitive option in the luxury coupe segment. The updated CLE is expected to launch soon, bringing subtle styling enhancements and a substantial performance boost to the top-tier AMG model.